All right, we're back. This puppy is done. Just finished rebuilding it, fixing the problems in it. Now check this out, nice and smooth. Even better yet, let's do this. 2-finger action. Start. Same with this key. So I don't have to put a lot of pressure to make it turn. So I got everything working. Not only did I fix it, I got everything working nice and smooth. This customer no longer has to buy new keys or get new keys programmed. They're still going to be, you know, these keys work that. As you can tell, look like these are dealer keys. So they probably went to the dealer, had the dealer make them some keys. However that went down. But that's it. Ain't really much to say. For those of you having trouble finding people to do this, this is Mercedes locks and stuff like that is not a normal locksmith thing, especially if they do a lot of commercial, residential. You need an automotive locksmith, and not all automotive locksmiths repair these locks. You really looking for somebody old school. I've been doing this since the early 90s. If you look on the YouTube channel, I got at least 600 plus videos by now. So I've been doing this a long time. I've been doing it way before all the fancy computerized machines, you know. I come from an era where we actually fix things, not replace things. So that's it. I still have all my original keying kits from way back. So if you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take. And that's basically it. Ain't really much to say about this. It's fixed. It's get ready to go back to the customer. I appreciate y'all for watching. Oh, yeah, all you mechanics that send me the referrals and send me the jobs. I appreciate y'all from around the country. Used car dealers and the new dealers that I deal with. I appreciate y'all as well. I want to give y'all a little shout out. And the rest of y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.